How to see your liked posts on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can see your liked post on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to see your liked post on Instagram, now let's say that you've liked so many pictures across the years, you want to get a track of what you've liked. Don't worry, because Instagram definitely does keep a track of what you've liked on Instagram. To find it, just come to the profile page by tapping the profile icon, tap the three lines option from the top right, and here you'll find this option known as your activity. Just make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on your activity, if you look under the interactions tab, here you have this option called likes, and in order to find all of the posts that you've liked, just tap on the likes option, and here you can see all of the posts that you've liked on Instagram so far. You can simply go ahead and unlike them if you'd like, but these are basically it. You can just filter them according to the filters such as newest to oldest, or maybe all dates or all authors, and then you can just go ahead and unlike them as well if you'd like. This way you can go ahead and then see your liked posts on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.